Let's make dinner with Suvie 3.0. My biggest regret is not buying this smart kitchen robot sooner. You can also pair the Suvie appliance with Suvie Smart Meals delivery service. I ordered it online and it was delivered right to my door. Also came in special packaging that tells your Suvie exactly how to cook your meals. All you have to do is scan. For me, this smart kitchen robot is perfect for anyone who wants to save time and have delicious meal at home with portion large enough for an entire family. I was so happy when I found that this could cook 15 different ways. Roast, broil, bake, sous vide, slow cook, steam, reheat, cooked eggs, rice, and more, all in my sous vide. My daughter wanted chicken for dinner, so I made half chicken and chimichurri sauce with cauliflower. All you gotta do is season with salt and pepper and some olive oil. Set the time. Look at that beautiful chicken. Everything was looking good, smelling good. It tasted delicious. My daughter loved it. Love, love, love. We love it. It tastes so good. I have never had a kitchen appliance as incredible as the Suvie 3.0.